Okay, in 7-63, we are asked to solve the equation. And if you take a look, we have 2x divided by 3 plus 4 divided by 3 equals 10 divided by 3. And what we can tell is that our denominator is the same for all three terms. Since I'm dividing every term by 3, I'm going to do the inverse operation, which is instead of dividing by 3, the inverse operation would be to multiply by 3. And once I do that, which is property of equality, I'm creating an equivalent equation, but I'm also getting rid of my denominators, because when you multiply something by 3, then divide it by 3, you end up with a giant 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. Then I have 2x plus 4. I'm going to address the adding 4 by doing the inverse operation, which is to subtract 4 from both sides. I now have 2x equals 6. I'm going to do the inverse operation to multiplying 2, which is divide by 2. Divide both sides by 2, and I will end up with x equals 3.